What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. So with that, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. Please do not interpret this video to be anything other than that. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind, even though some of you guys think that it is. You may disagree with my opinion. Let me know. That's fine. You may not like me. Let me know. That's fine. But this does follow YouTube's rules. So, yeah. Let's move on with it. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin, and specifically whether or not this is the bottom that dip buyers have been waiting for. It says the launch pad that set up every single major Shiba Inu coin bull run may have been confirmed again. This could be the moment that Shiba Inu coin price predictions flip bullish. 2 years of consolidation may have been building this launch pad moment, as historic demand zones put Shiba Inu coin price predictions back in focus. It says the meme coin momentum that kicked off the year is showing real staying power, picking up again this week after what now seemed to be a brief and healthy cooldown. It says this is particular importance to Shiba Inu coin. A higher low here stands to confirm the most important bull market proving ground, a long-standing demand zone around that 680 point per coin level. It says across Shiba Inu coin's history, this level has consistently acted as a launch pad, marking cycle bottoms and igniting bull runs that average 640% gains. And this is what we were talking about. I know it doesn't necessarily look good right now, right? I mean, it looks like so many declines, and it has been. 2025 was an awful year for a lot of cryptocurrencies, especially the more speculative ones. But when we look at this, right, they've got the historical low here on here now, which is great. But when you see Shiba Inu coin about 680 points per coin, that was the level that Shiba Inu coin found as a bottom back in 2021, exploding higher. Shiba Inu coin about this 680 point per coin level, found as a bottom, exploded higher. Shiba Inu coin may have found that 680 point per coin level as a bottom and could soon, okay, this doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen, explode higher. Now, you have to be optimistic in order to see that, because right now, the entire market is fearful. We're back down. I mean, we didn't just like step into fear, right? We jumped full force into fear. A level of 32 fear. We didn't even test 39. Man, we just jumped. We dove head first right into the deep end, didn't we? And of course, we are down once again today. XRP and Solana are really the only major top 10 cryptocurrencies that are in the green today. Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, BNB is down. It's a pretty tough day overall for the cryptocurrency market, and it all has to do with tariffs. Right now, I'm not going to go through and read through all these articles again, but essentially we announced 10% tariffs on, I believe, like 8 European countries, and they will increase to 25% tariffs if a deal is not negotiated by, I believe, June 1st. This shook markets, it frightened retail investors like you've never seen before, and of course prices declined. With that, a lot of optimistic whales are buying and accumulating like they have never done before. So I do the same thing. I believe in this cryptocurrency market short term. I believe in it long term. I believe that digital assets really revolutionize basically every point of traditional finance. So I continue buying as well. It says how a SHIB bull run could unfold. A year of consolidation has carved out a falling wedge that is now nearing its apex, marking the bounce from this lifelong demand zone, a potential final bottom before a breakout. It says price action over the past 2 months reinforces this setup, shaping a bullish head and shoulder structure. The latest higher low suggests the right shoulder is forming, setting the stage for a final push higher. Now, we would hope that the line does follow that dotted line and moves higher there. And it says momentum indicators support this bullish case. While the RSI has slipped just below the 50 neutral, the broader uptrend it has established points towards an imminent bounce. Recent MACD death cross below the signal line also looks more like a pause than a reversal. occurring near peak levels that have marked consolidation within the structure. The right shoulder fully develops, breakout pressure shifts towards the wedge's key threshold around the psychological 1,000 point per coin level, and a confirmed breakout targets a 320% advance to 3,300 points per coin. Guys, nobody knows what tomorrow brings, right? I know today is bringing even more fear. We have to deal with it. We've got to push through. We've got to stay strong. But if we do, greed and extreme greed will return to the market. And when they do, those that sell and those that give up are going to miss out. Those that accumulate and those that are willing to buy, they will reap the rewards. So that is what I do.